Hello, researchers, and good day. This is Miss Zhong, and welcome to Practical Research 2 with me. And it's already the last day of November, which means, yes, December na, and which means, it's time for oral defense. And yes, we have a short amount of time to construct, our research paper. Now, I'm making this video so that you as the researchers will be able to examine, all right, your paper if it is ready for the oral defense. Now, the beauty if you have the oral defense ahead of the time before maghatag sa grades is that you have time to what? To do the revisions, and kanang you do the revisions tarong yun, so that when you submit your paper, your final output, there's a big chance of you getting a good grade for the output. Because, alright, the final copy of your research paper is a part of your, yes, it's a part of your performance task. No, other students, you have 70% di ana ang performance task. Other students, it's 50% as well of their grade. So, dako gid siya og impact ang imuhang performance task. Now, if you do not submit the paper, of course, wala kay grado for performance task for second quarter. And ano gun kay ang na pundo na grade for first quarter, and then for second quarter may abuta because we did not submit our paper. Alright, this is to inform everyone, alright, sa calendar of activities. December 2 and 3 will already be the mastery test for this, mastery test, and finals nga exam, the final exam would be sometime here, 28 and 29, alright, because 30 is result day, diba? So, wala na siya, holiday na siya. So, 28 and 29 is the final, finals. So, January 2021, January 4 and 5, this will be the time we will submit your final grade na, no, for the course. So, oral defense will start by December 7. So, mas maayo if you will have your oral defense scheduled 7 until this part. Why? Because if mahuman na sayo sa inyong oral defense, imagine, taas ta ka time to revision, and then when you submit the revisions, you're already done. No, why prolong the agony if dugay pa kay ka sample diri na ka sa 14 or sa 20 plus mag oral defense, and then finals na ani nga time, imagine, so dili na siyang apas sa grade ana niya. It's Christmas time and all, so that's why 7 to 12 mo ni siya ang schedule for your oral defense. Okay, the classes that I handle. Alright, so without further ado, let's get on with it. Reminders for your chapter 1. So, rationale should contain the purpose of conducting a research, having established the research gap. We already discussed unsa ng research gap. Asa man makita ni mga research gap, very quick way to see is you view the recommendations part. No? And let's take a look at the example here. Sa kaninga paper na siya recommendations based from the findings and conclusion, the following are recommended. Future researchers may investigate other variables such as parents' attachment, parents' stress, parents' empathy, etc., which are critical. Yung ilahang manggong studies about parenting style and school social behavior. Now, ikaw nga researcher, gusto ka nga parenting style and school behavior imong study. O edi na kay kuan idea nga mo ni research gap kay mo man ang wala na discuss sa kaninga paper, therefore you can have that, no, so establish na nimo sa imong rationale. Okay, that's the research gap. So pwede na magbutang ka og parents stress, how that affects their parenting style. That's a good way, no? Okay, so muna na sa rationale dira na makita diretso. Theoretical background and framework should contain the relevant theories that support your study. And other people, other students, wala pa gyapon nakasabot sa wala kan understand sa unsay sanang theories, no? Alright, you can go to Google. Unsay theory is Google. That theory is a contemplative and relational type of abstract or generalizing thinking about a phenomenon or the results of such thinking. Okay, the process of contemplative and rational thinking often is associated with such processes like observational study and research. Okay? So, nag-search ka. Unsa ni mga lain-lain mga theories? So, nanadara. These are the learning theories. These are theories of Simon Freud. This is the theories of cognitive psychology, child development, nganong unsay explanation nga ngano man na ay attachment theory, ngano man ang mga mama o ang bata ngayon na. And sa social psychology, okay, the theories of attitudes, conformity, self-efficacy, psychopathology, unsa man na siya, theories about depression, theories about behavior therapy, blah blah blah, biological approach, stages of sleep, unsa na siya, about sleep, blah blah blah, humanism, no? Gi-explain unsa nang humanistic theory, unsa nang Maslow's hierarchy of needs, sa personality, unsa nang mga different kinds of theories, because these theories will actually support your research paper. So, i-search, I mean, Google is your friend, search that, kaya ang uban manggod, nga gibutang sa theories, kay nagbutang pa sila, sa theories, ang gibutang nila kay related study, niya, dili siya theory. So, use Google. I mean, you are Generation Z. I mean, you grew up with the internet. You should know how to use the internet to your advantage. SOP, Statement of the Problem, contains both your general problem and specific questions of your paper. And I think you already know how to write the SOP. I mean, by now, siguro, kanang sakto na ang format sa inyong SOP. No? Alright. I'll show a paper. Alright, so SOP. Alright. Ang kulang na lang ani kay please include the coverage. Okay, wala na butang no school year 2020-2021 mo na lang na siya puwang. So SOP, the study was mainly conducted to evaluate effects of parenting styles and academic procrastination. Furthermore, differences served as a function of nangutana sila gid sa family structure. Okay, and butang kada unsa nga school year na siya. And then the following questions: what are the parenting styles of students? Okay, in terms of authoritative, authoritarian, permissive. So, unsay profile sa students. What is the level of academic procrastination? And then, manatagitag sa tagsa na siya. So, okay. Statement of null hypothesis. This is a statement that explicitly denotes that your variables do not have a relationship. Null. Noon sa tong null, wala. Meaning nothing. Of which you will either accept or reject once you have the results and findings of your research. So, niana naman kani nga, there is no significant relationship. So, it's either you accept this or you do not, or you reject this once na nakay findings. Yeah. And could be only one statement or many, depending on your SOP. So, example, SOP 3 nimo, is there a relationship between parenting style and social behavior sa school? So, ang imong HO or your null hypothesis, there is no significant relationship between parenting style and school social behavior. That's it. No? Or you can write this way if you have many SOPs. So, kung kintahay ka ni daghan kaayo, so kani siya ang correction di ay ani no, dapat daghani siya inyong HO diring dapita. So, does authoritative significantly predict? So, dapat tagsa-tagsa na siya there. So, kani, is there a significant relationship between authoritative parenting style and school social behavior? So, sa HO nimo, wala. Another na sad, kani is authoritarian. So, sa HO nimo, wala. Authoritarian, wala. Kaya naman kay sub-variables, or mga categories nimo, is there a significant relationship between permissive? So, there is no significant permissive, and so these are your kanang mga categories man ni siya good. These are categories of parenting style. Tulo ka mo category. Alright. So you may write it that way. But if ikaw imong wala kay categories, wala sad kay subvariables or indicators, then mao na siya kanang ingonani ra na imong SOP, usa ra imong HO, usa ra imong null hypothesis. Okay? I hope that is clear. So kani siya, we have to correct this there because the HO between kani nga parenting style and kana, so daghan ni siya nga HO since tulo man sa sila diri. Okay? That's it. In chapter 1, mo na siya mga important things that you really have to consider and take note. Again, ang SOP, importante kayo na, guys. And, alright, reminders for chapter 2, review of related literature. Okay? Yeah. Alright, so literature, you may discuss related studies here, but focus on the introduction and methodology parts only. What does that mean? So, example, mag-review of related literature ka, you use this paper, sample kaninga paper, computer anxiety man siya about it. So, you can use kaning one introduction part, kanang mga gipangyaw-yaw niya diri sa introduction. You review that in your review of related literature, and then even the methodology, you can use that. No, ang kaning results, dili na ni siya sa review of related literature, dili na ni siya makuha sa review of related studies. Okay? Na-explain na before. And discuss the concepts of your research topic examples. So, na example ko here. Ay, wrong. Sa manjud. Nope. Alright. So, look at the related literature. Again, this is a prefatory paragraph. Dapat na siya sa inyo chapter 2. Tapos na heading din nga related literature. You may use this kay mas dali man gud ni ang checking anino if ingon ani kanang naanay kanang bali heading sa kada paragraph headings. So parenting styles, so gi-bold na siya, and then that's it. Then researchers define parenting styles and then to cite some, okay, defined as blah blah blah. Very good kaayo nga na siya pagkabutang. So ang ilang topic is parenting styles niya. So this is all about parenting style niya paragraphs. And then their second variable is academic procrastination. So what do people talk about academic procrastination? How is it defined? Unsay concept ana? O sige, so ibutang din so naa na siya paragraph heading, which is very good. Okay, so makita nimo nga this is all about academic procrastination only. Right? Right, it's defined as blah blah blah. And then very good because nanay kuan na siya paragraph na nag-talk about sa duha ka variables niya. Parenting styles and academic procrastination. So various researchers had been conducted to investigate the parenting styles and academic procrastination. So found that high procrastination assessed the parental involvement as low and results in goal based on the findings of their study. Kani siya dear more of kanang adto na ni siya ibutang nato sa related studies since we are talking about findings naman. Alright? So then he is kanang concept lang yun, say definitions, how is parenting style defined, how is the school social behavior is defined. Those are the concepts. Yeah. Let's take a look at this, no? So example kay imuha is computer anxiety. So kanya information and computer. Okay, you may discuss about ICT as well in your related literature. Then diri lang kamo sa imo lang na siyang i-cite sa kaninga paper, di ba? Use of computers, yada unsa na siya, learning but also in okay, you may use that but as long as you cite properly kani siya. No, cite properly. Okay? Again, importante jud kay na ang citation kay na wrong jud ka. Alright. So kana man related studies na nga part So again, kana concepts and all. Discuss the relevant results and findings of studies which have the same variables in your paper, and this is 2015 up to 2020. Okay. What I'd like to highlight again, sa kaning stated learning styles and academic procrastination, yeah, based on the findings of Kuan, and then the year is 2013. Okay, this may be acceptable nga dili siya gitbutang sa related literature because kaning mga years, okay, 1995, okay, is fine if it's part of a review of related literature. Kaysa studies manggod, dapat recent man, okay? So that's why there is a related studies nila. If you can see, mo na nga mga year 2015. So pako na 2016, 2017, dapat 2016 dito pa na siya. 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019. Alright? 2019. Kay ang pasunod ani is sa review of related studies kay ang bali mag-una si 2015, kung naka 2015, 2016, kadong ni 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020. Ingana ang pasunod nato sa related studies ha. Haron makita na to kung mo ni siya ang nag-una si 2015, so oldest to the recent one nga study. So mo na siya nga ang ilang last paragraphs kay about 2020 na, the current year. Okay, daghan na kaayo niya. Clincher, ang clincher lang ninyo sa pwede ra gid na mo ba ara kaayo ang clincher ninyo, guys. Ay lang na siya taas ang maayo. Ang importante is ma-summarize lang ninyo ang important parts of literature and studies. Like, okay, i-summarize agad ninyo. So, ay na lang na siyang taas na guys na all Philippine. Ang importante manggod ang clincher is para dili lang siya hanging na, hala, mana day ang inyong chapter 2, wala lang mong ganit mo na kay closing statement man lang. Okay? So, let's take a look at the example here. Sorry, studies niya. So, Hong et al. Conducted a study about predictive relationship of parental monitoring and to students' procrastination. Kaya man ang ilang topic. The findings reveal that the degree of parental monitoring can positively predict the levels of parenting and procrastination developed by student self-regulated learning. So, dinhi ginastate na sa findings na lang daan, no, ang degree of parents, no, how they monitor the child, kay unsa man predict the level of parenting and procrastination. So, nag-establish na din ang kaning parenting makapredict sa kana nga procrastination. Right? So, ingon ana, mauna siya importante sa review of related studies, no. Now, if your study is descriptive correlation, discuss here the results and findings of other papers that proved nga there is a significant correlation on the variables. Kay nga naman, ang imong related studies, diha na siya mo support nga indeed, ang kanang imong duha ka variables, na siya correlation di ay daan. No, kay pangutan mo ka na, nganong kaniman duha ka variables ang imong gi-study, nganong pwede man lahi nga variable, nganong kaniman jud. So, dira na siya ma-find out, dira na siya nimo nga ma-establish nga. Because other researchers, tanawa mo na ilang mga findings and naana joy relationship, naanay correlation ang kanang mga variables. So, ako, ganahan ko mo find out kung indeed, if ang mga respondents kay taga-UC, naaba sa G correlation ang kanang duha ka variables. Kay other researchers have found out nga ang parenting style kay naay correlation sa school social behavior of the students. So ako ganahan ko makabalo if that's the case in University of Cebu main campus senior high school department sa students. Kung yes, naaba J correlation kay kaning mga studies naana sila correlation. Okay? So, dapat nakabutang na sa inyong related studies nga naay correlation ang inyong what? Variables. Kaya man ka pwede magbut-buot kung variable. So, mo na bitaw nga na purpose ang imong related studies. Kaya sa related studies, ginashow na nadira nga naana na correlation ang imuhang mga variable. If you use predictive, dapat nanana din nga kanang mga research paper nga unsa man significantly nakapredict na siya kaning variable to the other. Okay? Ya dapat established na kung predictive man go dapat established na nga kaning variable is really correlated. Okay, again, ang prediction is a step up level of your correlation. No. Kaya kanang descriptive correlation nangatana raman ka sa significant relationship. So if predictive na ka, meaning na dyan significant relationship imong variables mo na nga imong ginatest if it will predict the other. Okay? So, dapat sa related studies na nimo ha, makita na siya sa ngala, kaninga mga related studies no, oh yes, kaninga variable, it significantly predicted the other. Like, parehas ani nila, no? Kani siya is positively predicted, you know, procrastination. Makita na siya. If comparative naman, if your study is comparative, discuss the findings and results of other papers that compare the two groups you are comparing and why these two groups were compared. So, pangutanon mong ka nga, ano man ka na-compare mo kag male-female, what is up with that? So, nananadara nga, okay, sa ako ang mga research papers nga nakita, related studies, yes, gina-compare ang male o female. Nga, for example, math anxiety, na-find out nung good sa study ni Hudgens 2019 nga males are more anxious in mathematics than females. And dira na nakita unsay nga naman dira dapita kani nga mean niya is taas kaayo. So mao ni siya nga this part right here kay kaingon jud ta nga unsa man more anxious ang males than females. Okay, so pangutan nang good na ka nganong gi-compare nimo ang two groups unsay basis nimo? Your basis could be other researchers man are studying the same nya mao na nga two groups. Gusto sad ko nga ako sa UC nga mga students kung really indeed kanibang study ni Hudgens kay is it true to UC nga ang males kay more anxious in math than females. So mo na siya nag-study ko ana. Okay, so back mo na siya, it will support your study ba nga wala ka nagbuot-buot og compare sa kanang groups. Alright, so review of related studies, that's important that you showcase that there. Naayod siya yung relationship daan, na siya, na correlation. Kaya kung dili na makita sa inyo ang related studies, good luck. Wala dyan na siya. Patay. Mahagba dyan na inyong paper. Okay? Another study about understood study investigated. The results indicated that significant negative correlation was found. Okay, ano siya. Alright. So chapter 3, be direct in writing the specifics, avoid long sentences that beat around the bush. So kung unsa ray ko okay, that's it. Chapter 3 na aba ko diri. Alright, sa chapter 3. So kana lang research design, very good kay quantitative. Specifically, research utilize predictive correlational. Okay, in addition, unsa na siya to predict, blah, blah, blah. Mo na siya nag-cite pagid sila. Okay, very good. Na citation ang research design. That's very good. Importante na nga sa research design, mag-cite gid ta. So man, asay basis na to sa atong pag-define sa research design. Research local. So, since university had online, due to COVID-19, mauna nga online na. So, they all meet in a virtual campus. Okay, very good. Then, that's it. Research participants, okay, chose grade 12. Okay, kanang pila man kabuok ang ilahang participants, 30. Anong 30 man? Very good. Okay, 1976 stated that, okay, 30. So, hence, the researchers arrived at a sample size of 30. To choose the final 30, simple random sampling was applied. Okay. Researcher obtained exhaustive list names. Okay. So, 30 ang ilahang random sampling. Okay. That's it. Research instrument. Alright. Diretso na ang instrument, diretso na. Pwede rin wala na. Diretso collect, wala na yung collect the data. Diretso na na. Delete. Ay. What? I cannot. Delete din ako makuan. Alright, so delete na lang na siya. Diretso na, the instruments employed to measure major variables are as follows. So, naa siya heading. Very good. Diretso na, parental authority questionnaire was developed by kasi nag-develop. 30 items, Likert scale. Dapat ibutang na din hingas. Which 5 is strongly agree, 4 is agree, 5 na nandara. Okay, ang scoring niya, no? Manay kulang nila. Naaba na i-indicate o naaba reverse scoring or wala. And then that's it. Very good. And, data collection procedure. So, how did you collect your data? That's it. And that's all. So, importante na siya, no? Najud kay mga citation. Importante ka na ang citation, guys, no? Okay. Alright, I'll just close that one. And then, close the set ni siya. That's done. And, diba sa last part of chapter 3 is data analysis procedure. So, yung data analysis procedure ni mo kay you may use that. For example, ang SOP niya is frequency of athletes, frequency, level of time management sa athlete o working students o difference niya. So, mo na siya ang iyang data analysis procedure. Frequency and percentage are used to determine the assessment of respondents with regard to personal profile. Kinuta naman siya frequency of the athletes and working students. Mean and standard deviation. Sige, again, mean and SD. Maumong ginagamit na to, no? Mean and SD to identify the level. Tanagugog level. So, ang answer ana is kuan. Ang answer ana is numerical. So, mean and SD ang gamiton. And since comparative man siya, nag-compare siya sa two groups. Ang two groups din kay athlete o working student against one variable, which is variable is time management. Manang independent t-test. Nag-compare siya og duha ka groups. Two means. Two groups lang. Difference between the level of time management and athlete. Of athlete and working students. And then that's it. Alright. So that is chapter 3, data analysis procedure. Okay, and then you may also use this nga nag-on siya a paragraph form. Alright. And this one is dali ra siya mas maayig naka-highlight gani ni siya ang mean, naka-bold na siya, SD bold na siya, Pearson R analyzed naka-bold na siya. Alright, mo ni siya ang iyang SOP. So, kani siya ang iyang data analysis procedure. The following statistical tools were used to analyze the gathered data. Mean, analyze the exact number of kuan. Standard deviation, this is to measure the closeness. And Pearson R analyze the relationship of the parents, parenting style, and that one. And then that's it, done now. That's chapter 3, data analysis procedure. Alright, so you're done with chapters 1, 2, and 3. No, kuan lang na you really have to prepare your paper na. Reminders for chapter 4. One table should be presented per SOP since chapter 4 answers the SOP questions you ask in chapter 1. Chapter 4. Okay. So if you have noticed, chapter 4 is presentation, analysis, and interpretation of data. Na-discuss na ko ni sa previous na ko nga video. So, table 1. Table 1 answers SOP 1. Ang SOP 1 nila is nag-ask man unsay level sa parenting style sa estudyante. So, present that. Table 2. Nagpunta na siya sa school social behavior sa estudyante. Alright, so that's SOP 2. Table 2 na nang ibutang. Now, for example, miss, na ako indicators or sub-variables. For example, sa ako ang time management kay na ay long-range planning, short-range planning, o time attitudes. So, ibutang ni mo table 2.1. This is, unsa man. So, ibutang ni mo din time management. No. Time management skills. Table 2.0 would be your katong long-range planning. Table 2.1, short-range planning. Table 2.2 is katong other nga indicator sa time management. So, ingna na siya. So daghan natong tables kay naman kay mga subvariable. So usa ka subvariable, usa sad ka table. Interpretation of data presented in the table should be clear, direct, uses simple language, dili na kailangan pasikot-sikot again. Interpret the highest mean score and lowest mean score. Cite from your RRS some findings that will support your own findings. Na-discuss naman ko na, pag previous na ko nga discussion, a previous video na ako about chapter 4 and 5. I will not repeat myself. If wala mo kabaluan na, then go ahead and view that video. Reminders of chapter 5. Summary of findings. So, mauna siya. Reminder lang na. One sentence per SOP only. 1, 2, 3. Conclusion, highlight the relationship of the variables. So, based on the findings, significantly related. Okay. Or unsa man has a significant relationship, significantly predict, okay, males score higher than females, something like that. Conclusion, one-liner lang na ang conclusion, one sentence lang na. Recommendations, you may indicate what is missing in your study so that other researchers may have an idea on what to study about the same variables. So, unsa yung missing nimo? Dira, kay mo man ay gap. So, ang gap mo na i-address sa sunod na researcher. And that's it. Alright, so general reminders. Again, Times New Roman 12 ta. Muna na ito na andan. 2.0 ang spacing. Paper with more than 30% plagiarism issues for the overall paper will automatically get a failure. Law. More than 30%. Kana automatic na. What if miss 29% plagiarism? That depends on kinsay mo lingkod nimo nga panel member, kinsay mo lingkod nimo kanang panel sa OD. Unya, so na siya sabutan ba ninyo or unsa na siya, unsaon na i-pass ba na dira or naay ka ng conditional, kasi maka-conditional pass mo ana kung 29% plagiarism. Okay? So again, ang sa UC kay 5% plagiarism ang acceptable nga rape, no? Yeah, miss mabalaan jud na. Yes, kay of course we will use Grammarly man to detect plagiarism issues. Kanang ako kay inig-check na ko, di ba? You will ma-notify man mo nga, oh yeah, na again. Kay let's say open la Grammarly, and then if for instance lang ako ay kintahay kaning inani ako nang i-copy paste na be ano kay sample hala nakakita lagi ko ani ako mo ni siya example mo ni siya nya ganahan ko. So let's see kung ma-detect na siya sa Grammarly. Kung ikaw for example lang, okay, tapos plagiarism kani siya is paper na ni siya kanidila nilang Mr. Toyong and Toyong. Sinigsuon ni sila, no? Never know. Tas sa Grammarly, wala na 97% na dayon. Wala din niya ako ang well-designed. Nag-recalculating siya. So, nakita na dayon niyang hala, kani siya ang source na. So, mabalaan na mo if nag-copy-paste mo nag-copy-paste mo. No? And then, so of course, before man good mo mag-isa lang sa oral defense, kaya amo pa tanaw na ng paper, o niya, tara, masakpan na siya. Right, example, you copied the same title as others' papers and copied the exact same SOP questions. Okay, so for instance, na ay SOP questions na sila, like kintahay so kung nag-copy mo sa ilang questions, hala unsa may kanang why do you study the same variables and the same questions? There is no more something new to offer, which defeats the purpose of doing the research. Kaya di ba contributing something new to the existing body of knowledge. That's why bitaw may research gap. That's why bitaw maghatag og recommendations. That's why bitaw mag-recommend ni ang mga estudyante din nga. Okay, you may use this one, blah blah blah. Kay para kana the same variables pero lahi na sad siya nga angle lang imong ginatan-aw sa same variables. So kung ikaw nag-copy ka sa exact the same paper, title pa niya and all, I mean what? No. Nya sa Grammarly biya sa Grammarly kay ara makakita mi, so i-click na namo siya, tas inigtan-aw namo din ni. Okay, ini-click mo ni siya din ni, makita na namo. Okay mo na siya. Okay, hala. And then naasa the research questions din he. And then what if you had the same questions as these? Madira ma-question na nganong pareha man jud mo og kuan, exactly the same questions man mo. No, diha makuan na mo din ha, mayabo. You don't ask the same questions as the others kay what's the point man of what's the point of conducting a research if same ra ang mga pangutana, same questions, no? Same ra tanan. So same og findings. I mean, what's something new to offer? So dira you have to be careful ana. So for example, ikaw kaning computer anxiety, unsa may bag-o sa computer anxiety nga wala pa na-address ani nga paper. Okay, unsa may computer self-efficacy, unsa may bag-o ni nga inyohang ma-contribute. X na. So kana lang siya, aray. So again, ganang plagiarism, hala, be careful gid mo anak kay ma-failed na gid ka dirang dapita. Wala ni OD may tawo kay copy-paste sa may tanan, this is not your idea. Okay. So, i-failed na dayon ta na dirang dapita. Okay? So, we will use Grammarly to check on your this plagiarism one and then patay, ipila ka percent na. Good luck yun. Medyo na siya kumaingon ninyo guys. Kapila na ako nagbalik ana, no? About plagiarism. You will be asked, why did you correlate or compare the variables that you have? Mana ka, okay. So, imuhang variables is about, so, nabalaan dyan, no? Let's say, academic stress. So, i-compare ni, imuhang correlate ang academic stress to this particular variable. Let's say, academic procrastination. The more, so, stress and procrastination. Uy, anong kaniman nga variable ang imuhang correlate? So, mana na ka nga. Okay, sa kaning nga mga research studies, kay the more motaas ang academic stress, the more sad motaas ang iyahang procrastination. So, the more stress kay ang estudyante, the more sad siya nga magdugay-dugay, magprocrastinate sa iyahang mga buhatonon kay low stress na kay kunino ko ganahan. Di ba? So that could be a reason nga. That is why it's important you have a strong RRL, RRS. Kaya diha man na makita. Mamanay mo back up, gitawon nimo sa imong paper. Kaya pangutan mo ka nga, anong i-correlate man nimo ang academic stress o academic procrastination? Aday kay si basis nimo. Imong basis is other related literature studies nga ing-aning mo ni siya ang kuan niya kanang if mataas ang academic stress, mataas ang academic procrastination level of the students. Kaya the more they siya stressed, the more sad siya nga magpadugay-dugay na lang sa iyang mga buluhaton. So I want to study sa that no kanang is that the same for UC students and unsay attack nimo when it comes to correlation of those variables. So that is your discarding researcher, you have to really be careful sa imong RRS o RRL nga makatabang na nimo. You may be asked how you went about your surveys, the data gathering procedures, to better prepare and explain thoroughly. So kami nagkuan mi unsa to amo ang gigamit sige 1978 kay 30 among respondents, so kana siya nga strand, ganun kana man nga strand. No, ganun kana man nga strand, ganung nag STEM strand man ka, ang STEM ra ba ang naay academic stress? So imo na siya i-justify, okay, because it's more convenient for the researcher to survey this, considering that it's online, and then considering that the amount of time given to do the research was limited, so we have to go through nga ing-ani ang amo ang pagpangita og data, pag-gather sa data, and then it's more practical for the researchers to have STEM strand, kay taga STEM me, dali ra man mo ma-reach out ang among respondents, and so on and so forth. You may be asked about your research theories. So gitong mga theories, balik na sa theories nga na. No, so ana, you have to be careful. Kamo na, jud, ana, kamo, as the researcher, you have to be very, kanang, aware nga, mao na mong theory, kana siya, makasupport na siya sa study. Your SOP questions are extremely important because the questions guide your paper. You will be asked to justify the choice of your research design. Nganong correlational man? Nganong wala man ka nag-comparative? Unsa day purpose sa imong study? Unsa may gusto nimo ma-find out? Unsay purpose sa imong study gani? Ganahan ka nga ma-find out ang kaning mga variables. Kung nganong nag-correlational man ka, nganong wala man ka nag-predictive? Okay, kana imong purpose. Okay, so what? Okay, so ingon ana. So why did you choose descriptive correlational? Why did you choose ana? So again, balik ka sa imong RLRS no nga kani nga mga variables kay mao ni siya ang kuan gigamit nila nga design also. So that's why kani nga mga studies kay I have 5 ka studies nga mao ni. I have 5 ka studies nga for these variables kay descriptive correlational alang gamit nangita na sila sa significant relationship. That's why kami we also do the same. Nangita sa significant relationship. The same ang amo ang gigamit nga design. Kay kabaw naman mi sa uban studies kay sa 5 ka studies correlated na among variable. Kay gusto sa mi ma-find out if nabay correlation ang kanang variables considering that our respondents are from this university, from UC, ang nana senior high school, same as us. Ano siya? Okay? You will be asked about the research questionnaire, patay. What is its scoring? Are you familiar with the questions? How sure are you of its validity and reliability? Are you sure that there is no reverse scoring sa imong paper? Are you sure this questionnaire is really accurate? Are you sure this questionnaire really accurately measures your variables and thus answers your SLP questions? Okay, so kung ito naman mga mo ni mong questionnaire, are you sure kaning questionnaire maka-answer sa imong SOP? Kung tanan ka na. Guys, by the way, about reverse scoring. Okay, about reverse scoring, kanang others no na explicitly kay sila mubutang na reverse scoring ni na siya ingon ana, and others as well kay kanang ang reverse scoring kay kuan unsa na ang researcher ikaw ang mo assess gani as the researcher kay of course basahon gyud nimo imong questionnaire. This questionnaire is an example, kaning perceived stress scale is an example of a questionnaire nga wala gibutang ang reverse scoring, meaning ikaw researcher, ikaw mismo na researcher ang mag-assess kung reverse ba ang scoring or dili. What do you mean, miss? Okay, nagsugod ta na no in the last month. How often have you been upset because of something that happened? How often have you been upset? So, ako kay, for example, I'm so very, very stressed. So, how often have you been upset? So, nag-4 ko, very often ko, upset jud ko. How often have you felt that you were unable to control things? Oh my God, I cannot control. Number 4, akong answer B, very often. How often have you felt nervous? Oh my God, 4, I'm so stressed. How often have you felt confident about your ability? Okay, so ganina, di ba sa statement upset, unable to control, mga stress, these are negative statements. Tapos sa number 4, nikalit lang siya positive statement, felt confident. So never ko felt confident. So this is a reverse scoring, guys. Kay kanin siya nga statement, ang felt confident is a positive statement. Contradicting siya sa imuhang mga upset, unable to control, o stress. Do you get me? So that's why wala pa yun indicate nga number 4 is reverse scoring. Wala siya indicate dira. Therefore, ikaw mismo na researcher, ikaw mismo ang mag-reverse scoring. Ay, dara di ay oy. A short for item scale can be made from questions 2, 4. Ay, sa tanan to. 2, 4. Ay, no, ay wala dira. No, wala lagi indicate. Sorry. So, wala gi-indicate nga reverse ang scoring niya. Therefore, ikaw as researcher, ikaw mismo ang mag-assess ana in town. So, considering na kaning upset, unable, stressed, or negative statements. Nikalit lang siya. How often have you felt that things were going your way? Hello? Positive na sad, confident, going your way. Dere, how often have you found out that you could not cope? So, negative statement. How often have you been able to control irritations? Kani control irritations? Kani siya is control. Kani ganina is not control. Okay? So, control is a positive statement. How often have you felt that you were on top of things? So, positively. How often have you been angered? Ay, negative. How often have you felt difficulties were piling up and you cannot overcome? Negative. So, ito yung mga positive statements. Ano yung mga positive statement? Ikaw mismo ang mag-assess nga reverse ni siya ang scoring, ani. Oh, so ikaw kung researcher ka niya, dili ka, wala lang ko kay bar lang ko di ka kabalo di ay sa mga questions, patay, mayabo ka igodi guys. Mayabo jud mo guys. So that's why nga you will be asked about your research questionnaire. How well do you know the questionnaire? How well do you know the questions? Are you familiar really? And do you think these questions really would answer your SOP? Aray, miss. O, diba? Ikaw, ano na naon siya. Sige, prepare na tamo daan for OD. How do you answer those questions? And then last nga bit, dere, particularly important parts that panel members will check really thoroughly nga murag patay jud ni critical SOP ug research questions tan-awon gid na research questionnaire nimo hala imong survey questionnaire hala unsa man imong survey questionnaire ay and chapter 4 results and findings and RRL and RRS so kana ini chapter 4 ana ra ba tan-aw na ang mga results nimo. Yun sa man nimo pag-interpret imong results oy sa chapter 4 halapat oy. So din ha tan-aw na sakto ba ka niya pag-analyze sa chapter 4 tan-aw na to be. Tan-aw na to be ang p-value r-value sakto ba ka ni pag-analyze. Kiunsa man ni no. And then if na reverse scoring, indicate lang ani mo diri nga kani siya nga mga items kay reversely scored na siya. Alright, so ing ani ha kanang di ba? I already told you that in order to analyze, ing ani siya mas maayo man gud ni kani. Mo ni akong gipa-follow ninyo guys. Mas maayo og kani nga gitagsa itagsa gid na ninyo taon og indicate dara ang mga questionnaire para makita na mo nga ay so, kaning I do things in order of priority. Wow, highest, ano, I have a weekly schedule. Oh, wow, ha. Judicial schedule, si athletes. Nga, I screen and group my telephone calls to allow for control over telephone interruptions. Moderate lang. No? So, makita nga dara, si Minia, blah, blah, blah. Makita dara siya. Okay, mauday ni siya ang iyahang kuan. So, makita di mo ang imong mga kanyang tagsa nga questionnaire no kay kani siya makita man ni siya nga kani di ay no nga mga questions are important questions to assess the level of time management so makita na siya. And by the way, please edit your Google Forms. Hi everybody, kato akong mga to all my students, edit your Google Forms everyone be. So announcement ni siya ha. Diba, ginani man nato to no. Pagpahimo na ko niya grade 12 unsay question, survey questionnaire. Tapos magbutang lang ka, this survey questionnaire was from HTTPS blah blah blah. HTTPS kana siya. Kana akong i-copy paste to nako si HTTPS kani katong academic stress kato ganina. Na-close na din ako no. Reopen close tab. Kani si pdfsemanticscholar.org. If you can see pdfsemanticscholar.org. Okay. Si academic stress. Kay academic stress man ni. So, dira. Ibutang na siya din ha. Ang purpose ani guys, kay para inigtanaw sa mga panel nimo dili na sila magbaw og pangita og kanang unsa toy copy. Although imo man nang i-attach ang imong kanang copy sa imong questionnaire, right? Questionnaire. Ay. Sorry. Questionnaire. So for example, imong questionnaire kay si parenting perceived stress scale. Ay, wait lang, ano din nag-open ko? Ano nga nag-open mo ko dala? Time tabi, ito, you will be, naana siya sa appendices, no? Time pakalikod, no? References. Ay, wala na din nagibutang dira di ay ang kuan. Transmittal, consent. Dara, survey questionnaire. So, makita ra gyapon po na namang survey questionnaire. Pero mas maayos nga naani din sa imuhang Google Form. Okay, Okay. Edit lang na siya. And then, alright, I'm gonna open like this, and then ito na siyang ipadakan para mas grabe jud siya highlight. Grabe, siya di kakabasa. Ay, grabe nasad na siya, miss. Alright, oral defense process. Number 1, the pre-recorded video of your 10-minute research presentation. Miss, pila ka minutes halahag, ingon nga kung 10 minutes. So, roughly 10 minutes ang maximum. Miss, what if mga 8 minutes ra? Okay ra pod. 8 to 10. 10 is the highest na yun na siya nga minutes sa inyong research presentation. Okay? It will be watched by the panel first before nga patawgon mo for the oral defense Q&A. So, anong schedule nga ihatag ninyo sa oral defense Q&A? Sample, okay, STEM 10A, grade 12, akong advisory. Okay, mas-schedule mo for research aning mga panahon na kita kay since Tuesday man gid ang atong research, sige diri mo na kaibutang sa December 8. So nga na dira na no STEM 10A December 8 ang inyong schedule. Dapat before December 8 nag-submit na mo. So ini December 7 submit na mo daan sa inyong 10-minute research Q&A. Okay? Kay kaning mga panahon na inig December 8 dapat na view na mo inyong 10-minute research presentation. Okay? So, tagaan-dayin mo time ana. Okay, group 1 ang inyong time ana kay kanang 9 to 9:20 in the morning. Okay? So, before 9 ma-view na mo inyong research presentation. So, i-view mo na mo daan. So, dapat mag-submit mo ana mag-submit jud mo daan ana 1 day before your Q&A schedule. So, tagano mo, Q&A schedule with your time, ano sa man na orasa. There, na siya ibutang. Okay, so for example, kani, yeah. So, group 1, kay kaning mga orasa. Group 2, kaning mga orasa niya. Mo ning panel ninyo. Okay? Yeah, dapat ahead, 1 day ahead, yun na mag-submit sa inyong 10-minute video. Okay, this video is part of your performance task. Ang score ani nga video. Nya kanang everyone in the group should be visible in the video. Okay, dili siya. So, example, si Kuan kani siyang ka-person mag-discuss about rational. Dili din siyang siya ray makita sa video. No? Example mo ni imong video. Tas dapat kani siya student A diri, student B here, student C diri, student E, F, so or student 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, student 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kung 10 mo kabuok members, so 10 kabuok sad na dira nga makita ang mga naong. Nya si kaning student 1 siya nag-discuss sa rational. But samtang nag-discuss sa rational makita ang tanan. No dili kay si rational ra jud usa ang makita diri, but tanan makita sa video. Of course, kay di ba inig sa audio before kay makita mo gid mong tanan adtong panahonan. Okay. So kana siya ibutang dalawa. Tanan makita sa video. No. Yeah, so rational ako yung mo-discuss. Okay, after niya, next na dayon, makita tanan. Okay, so mura na siya. I suggest you can do you can do a Google Meet nga video nga makita mong tanan, i-grade ninyo, makita mong tanan, ini-grade. Tapos mana diyang leader. Okay, so now we are going to discuss and present our paper. Okay, take it away. So group okay, I'll be I'm Koan. I will discuss the rationale. So rationale is hi, I'm blah blah blah, and I'll discuss theoretical background and framework. Our theories are based on and quite sure na makita dyan na ang video ha, makita na siya, makita na. Means what if obvious kay nga nagbasa mi, hala patay jud mo. So I mean that's up to you, and appeal na siya sa scoring. And then, hi, I'm blah, 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 and I will discuss statement of a problem and statement of null hypothesis. So our SOP are like that, blah, blah, blah. Hi, I'm blah, 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 and I'm discussing significance of the study. So these are the following that will benefit the ingon ana siya. Kita mo tanan. You will wear formal attire with collar and blazers for your top since this will be shown in the video. Miss, kanang dili na mi mag-slacks. Dili na sa makita so shorts sa mo dira okay ra basta kay ang upper man jud ang makita guad. No, so makita yun na ang nag-collar ka dara and then nag-blazer ka, makita na siya dahil formal attire. The formal wear is still a part of your grade. Also, do look presentable. This video should show your face, thus the place should be well lit. Proper grooming is a part of the wearing of the formal attire. So, kanang guys, hala, ngit-ngit ka imong video, di na ka makita. Unsa man na mo pag-grade ang imuhang grooming din hang dapita. So, man na mo pagkita. Dapat makita jud mo nga hayag. Makita jud ang inyong now. Kay, anang, that way, makakita sad mi nga, ayay, nagbasa siya. So, medyo na gamay nga deduction na siya, of course. Kay, dapat, dapat nag-rehearsal na sad ka, igabalik-balik. Diba, ibalik-balik na ni mo rehearsal. Naman sa kagdili, jud na ni mo ma-perfect og sulti din ha, nga dili na ka mag-look nga nagbasa ka. Kita mo na mga reporter nga, okay, kanang TV patrol. Okay, so magawang balita diba? Or sa CNN pa ka din nga kanang typhoon news is already in the diba? Nagbasa na sila pero dili na sila ilhan nga nagbasa because they're very hooked sa mga audience ang ilahang naong nya nag-formal attire na sila. Ana inyong peg guys para very good kaayo ang presentation ana. And then sa inyong English, kay naaman na, diba? Inig ka, speech ninyo, na naman, I mean, halawin, agi na mo grade 11, you should know this, and you should know this by now. Kung saan pag-present taon sa inyong thesis niya. Taon sad, kay appeal na siya, lahi ni siya nga grado, no? Lahi ni siya nga grado. Oh, so lahi ni siya og rating ang inyong pag-present. Okay. Yeah, individual scoring, nani siya individual scoring, guys. So, individual scoring and group scoring. Sa Q&A, more of individual na siya ang scoring, wala na siya group scoring. So oh my goodness, dapat tabang-tabang sa gyapon mo. The actual oral defense will be via oral defense question and answer. Okay, mana or i-defense tugod na nimo so Q&A na. Online will be via Zoom or Google Meet. It depends kay taga niyan naghatag ninyo sa schedule kay nanaman na siya naka-label nga Zoom na siya or Google Meet, and then you will be also assigned a link. So please be mindful. Kay maghatag na mi og schedule ana starting December 1 ugma. So I'll be giving the schedules na of the classes kung kanus ay yung OD, so be aware. Or starting sa December 1, 2, sa di kaning mga weeks, kikabaw na mo anis ka na sa inyong schedule. But giingnan naman muna ako daan advance, diba nga, nanaat nga atong OD is December 7, so naka-prepare na mo grabe sa gula. Alright. This is purely question and answer as the panel members have already read your submitted soft copies of the manuscripts, no? And also have seen your video presentations. So before man gud mi isa lang for the Q&A, online, nakita na mo ang inyong paper. Kaya hatag man jud na namo da ng paper, di ba? And I also have seen your video presentations. So nakita na sa tambang video presentation nga gi-submit, which is kani nakita na nadaan. So inig OD ana, OD na lang gid nga time. So ana namin nga okay, so kamo to nung kani inyong so kita na namo sa inyong video na present na siya. Individual scores you get here will be your scores for the final exam. So, tagsa-tagsaon man mo, ana, no, niya. Depende ni panel ninyo kung manawag siya nga, o ikaw, ika-answer ani. Or, kanang mag-ask ng question, anybody can answer. The more nga mo answer na siya, the more sa siya nga mas daghan ang iyong score, and mas dako ang iyong score, possible nga makuha. Depende sad sa iyang accuracy. Kay, sige ka siya ka-answer, nasayop man, wala nagyap po na siya bearing. The more, dapat accurate imong answer. No, and, yeah, individual ni ang score, ani. So, ikaw, kung hala, tawgon ka niya, di ka answer, oh my god, ana, tagaan ba kang chance, sige, ka na wala kang answer ganina, no, tagaan kang chance karon nga mo answer. Yun, yung dili ka mo tingog, kay naam chinitan mo ato pag, di ba, of course, grade 11, di ba, hello, research 1, nakastry na mo. Na iban yun sa UD nga, dili ito sila mo storya, I mean, hindi zero ka sa final exam. Noon, ay uban nga, mga sila nga, mga panel nga, sige, I'll give you chance being mo storya, but if dili yun, mo i-take, wala. Wala yun. Niya. Kanang you wore formal attire ni Nino kay kanang your video should be turned on. I-on dyan na ninyo niya. The lighting, marag hapon, the lighting should be good. Nang you should be in a well-lit area. Okay, as if gapon good sa on, di ba, actual na tong OD, di ba? Formal ta, and then you wear formal attire, and then the video, formal wear is part of your grade, look presentable, mura gihapon na siya. Proper grooming. Alright, na, di ba, diha naman na siya niya. Kanang, i-decide na ni dinhi, the actual OD niya. Kanang the panel will decide whether to pass or fail your paper. Your paper. So dinhi na mabalaan kung pasar ba na or hagbong ang inyong paper. Na, once you're done with the Q&A, manakatanan, manakag OD. So, so na, sample, manakag OD on December 7 ka na assign, manakag OD, oh my god, kahayahay na sa imong heart. Di ba, kahayahay na? I mean, you're done with that. Nya. If manakag niya, mag-revisions ka, inig revisions nimo, submit na ka, sa final paper nimo by Saturday, or Sunday baka, or Monday. And then, that's it already for research. Kaning nga mga panahon, mag-enjoy na ka sa imong bakasyon, kay man naman ka sa research, man sa kaghatag sa revision. Do you understand? That's why it's important nga masayo kay para man nakakatag revisions aning mga panahon na. Kaning mga panahon na nakakatag revisions, so mahatag na nako set na nako imong final grade for research. So para inig ka kaning mga panahon nga December 28, 29 sa final exam schedule, kato ng other nga mga subjects ang imong i-consider ang imong tun-an and all kay man ka sa research. I mean, so the earlier your OD, the better for you. Kaya, I mean, you can breathe na nga, man ako sa OD, man natanan, I already have score, man ako, okay, I mean, this is the life, char. So, mag-enjoy na kasi imong Christmas time. Charit. Okay? Once you're done with the question and answer, immediately do the revisions. Kaya nga no, kung wala say pulos actually, no, mabit ang purpose nga sayo ka nag-OD na ka og December 7, nakag-OD ana. Tapos dugaya ni mo gihimo yung revision, ay ko na mag-submit kag revisions unsa nang panahon na patay, kadali-dali unsa na ako imong grado. I mean, di ba? Kay dali-dali gug ka. I mean, di ba? Sayo ganin ako gipa-OD mo kay para ang revisions you have time, but dali-dali ka. Kay dugay kay kanahuman sa revisions niya. Bis dugay kay sila manabangan niya. I mean, daghan naman jud no. I mean, there's a lot na gyud of mga students nga after OD wala na sa sila pakialam sa ilang research. So, ibutang lang ginadara sa inyong contribution tracker nga kani wala na niman nagtabang. Okay, it will impact your grade. Kay, yes, sa kanang OD, niya kasagaran pa dili manabang kay katong wala kayo nag-answer sa OD. I mean, wala kay ka nag-answer diri sa OD. Niya nag-OD lang ka kay ala attendance ani. Pat wala man ka ni answer, so zero ka dira. Niya pa jud ka tabang sa kuan. Do not expect to get a passing score for a passing grade. Ha, unsa miss? I mean, nag-attend ra ka og OD, abi nimo na okay na dili man na siya guarantee nga makapasar ka abi kay ni-attend ka. Pag answer sa dira, uy, answer sad ta guys. Answer sad ta kay mao man na siya. So kung ibutang din na ala kanang Miss Joang wala man ni siya ni answer sa OD kani siya. Okay, mark that 0 lang miss. Mana raman ko ana kay I mean how ang tagaan man tika og grade na kay grado ani sa pre-recorded kay kinahanglan man kamo storya. Pero din mig OD na wa mo ka ni answer. Ano mo expect man ka og grado ana? Na kay grado din yes. Pero wala kay grado din ini ka Q&A. Laka strict ni mo miss uy. I mean hello. 'Di ba? What you sow you reap. Ug wala kay gihatag di wala di akong gihatag nimo is wala. Sorry to sound harsh, but that's the reality. So, kung nakagihatag bisag gamay, ano sa ko ihatag nimo misig gamay, pit nakagihatag na dako, ihatag na ko nimo dako sa grado. The world is fair. I mean, I justify whatever you have. I mean, you contribute, you give. 'Di ba? Kay lahi ni siya grado ang pre-recorded video, katong mag-present mo sure more. Lahi sa ni siya mas lahi niya og grado nga ri. Ay, sorry. Mas lahi niyo grado ang kaning OD. Kay, mo naman na siya ang time nga you will justify whatever, you will be asked some questions, you will answer niya. Dili man ako'y muhatag ani good. No, dili man ang muhatag ani is ang ano man ang imuhang ang nilingkod nimo nga panel. So, kung ang gisuwat na mo sa panel, nga, Miss Zhang, wala yun ni siya ni answer. Okay, leave that 0 lang. O, diba? Ni-attend ra jud ka din ha. Niya, wala ka ni. Sayang nga sa imong wifi. Uy, nagkaskas lang kag wifi niya. Di ka mo answer. Di pa. Okay. Niya, man na jud ka nga. Kanang, niya, ayaw lang po nga kanang lo. Sige lang iki-answer niyang uban. Wala na i-answer. Kaluoy sad. That's why bitaw nga ang mga panel members, kabantay mo sa una mo, ana sila nga, okay, manaman answer sila. Lahi na sa nang mo answer, bit. Okay, sa kanang nga, if mo na sila, ana, meaning, napay uban nga, wala pa jud taon ka storya. Ana, ka storya, gamay kaayo. Idi gamay sad kay og score. No, dapat jud nailaman gani imong answer, no? No. And then, alright ha, kaminaw mo ani. Once you're done with the Q&A, immediately do the necessary revisions suggested by your panel, whether that is minor or major revisions or naiuban biya jud na di uban nga mag redo sa survey. So imagine na kung magdugay-dugay kag OD, dugay kay ka maka-redo og survey, patay. Saon na lang na niyo magdalion na niyo yung paper. So ayaw ingon nga miss anong karon na day nimo among OD kay I am after the welfare of you. Ikaw, no? Nya, mas maayo man gud na nga ma-checkan sa others nga. Miss wala pa gani mo na checkan mo chapter 4 and 5. Nya OD na dayon mi. O dira man ma-checkan na sa other teachers ang in chapter 4 and 5. I mean this video I'm already utilizing this ikaw. Please, dili naman ako maato kay daghan jud kay kong estudyante. I'm doing this as your research advisor but to please check in your paper kung okay ba na siya, kung nag-follow ba mo, kung katong chapter 4 and 5 yun sa ninyo ang yung questionnaire. I mean guys, I'm already doing my part here. Please do your part. Dili na ko maato taon og check tanan, to be honest. 'Di ba? And ang grammar dili imod kay strict o grammar so long as the content is there and so long as wala mo nag-copy and paste, wala mo nag-plagiarize. No, kaya ang grammar ma-improve gina sa Grammarly, guys. Right. Okay, then submit the final copy. Kay man namang mo, miss, manamig revisions, miss, o blah blah blah. Miss, nag-redo na lang miss amo ang kuan miss survey kay mao ang giingon. Okay, sige, good, that's good. And then manami miss, o sige, so submit that to your research advisor, to me. This final paper, along with your final contributions tracker, again, dili yun na malimtan tawon ang final contributions tracker, which states all the contributions from September until revisions time. So, kanang i-detail in taon na leader, kung dili man ganin si leader, si kisa man group representative, group facilitator. Unsay di ba nagsabit naman mo na ako og tracker. You already submitted a like this. Ay, nakaloading pa ako ang you already submitted a contributions tracker assessment. Tara. Di ba naghatag mo ani? Oo. Yes, miss. Ako na lang mo ko. Charing. So, naghatag mo tracker assessment. Ako na sana siyang gi-use for kuan. Ano, wala mo na kuan. Anyway. So, naghatag mo tracker na ako. You use this. I-add na lang ni siya. I-add na lang ni ang time pa, guys. You add na lang ang katong chapter 4, chapter 5, kisay naghimo sa SPSS, ibutang din na. Kinsay nag-analyze sa SPSS mo. Usa ra ka tawo gurang nag-analyze sa SPSS, OMG, patay. You will be asked as well how you di ba naman ni diri nga you will be asked on how you had chapter 4, meaning pangutanon mo about SPSS ani guys. Yun sa man ninyo ang SPSS. Kasabot mo sa SPSS. Yun sa man ninyo pag-analyze ang data. Ano kaingon man mo nga i-reject or i-accept ang null hypothesis, you will be asked those questions. Wait lang ha. So, at the revisions types. Sa revisions, kung alamis, nagpa-resurvey mi, miss. So, kani sila, nagpa-resurvey mi, okay. Balik mi, miss, kaingon ani. Or balik jud mi, revamp mi, miss. Balik mi, mangita mi yung questionnaire. Oh my God. Ano na ang mga scenario na tayo di na makalikayan. What if? No? Kaya ako, what if kanang, I mean, I already checked your paper, but since usaraman ko, dili man ko daghan, kaya of course, daghan ba yun na ang panel, kay 2 or more man na, mas daghan og brains nga mag-analyze inyong paper ba, mas mo-nindot inyong paper. Now, so, ano siya, initanaw ana, or ang uban ana is, re-analyze, so at least mag-SPSS na lang, balik, or kung mag-survey balik, okay. Miss, kani sa revisions, miss, nag-survey mi balik, si Kuan, miss, 5 ang iyang na-survey, si Kuan, miss, kana na, kami ang nagkuan ani, miss, kami balik ang naghimo, bla 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 bla. Importante. Or miss, wala na gyud ni tabang pag-contribution, pag-revisions, miss. Miss, gamay ra kay among revisions, miss, so ako ra ang nibuhat ang uban kay gusto sila mo tabang, but gamay na lang man kaayo. Wow, very good, kay gamay na lang kaayo inyong i-revise, but what if daghan ang i-revise, diha ibutang kit sa mga nanabang. Nakoy share nga kuan downloads man siguro to kanang ay ano naman ko dara di ay no kang Noel kani specific na ay time which is I find it very good kay kanang wow kanang particular kaayo siya sa iyahang mga contributions, no? Ito guys ha. Si Noel, ingani, September 25, mao ni ang gibuhat niya. September 5, mao ni siya. Na date ba? Date stamp. I like it. Kay maklaro gani nga kanang sa date stamp maklaro nga ay kani nga dates mao ni ang mga gipangtabang ani nila kani nga dates mo ni gi-submit. I think this is very good and I commend no si Noel Karain of STEM 2P kay comprehensive lang siya for me because naa siya dates niya sige tabang asa dapita ani. Thank you dear Karain. And by the way, a huge shout out no to all the leaders who submitted to me copies of their contributions tracker. It really helped, no? And you're very I mean, ang uban kay very generous, ang uban kay kanang very justice is served. Nana jud. I'm glad. Ay, time pass. Wait lang. kanang naa siya tauban nga specifics kaayo nga kani nga part ang gisulat gi-write niya. Wrote 11th stanza. I appreciate that kay very specifics ang at least okay kana nga mga parts ang iyang nabuhat sa related studies no nya kani nga part. Okay, that's good. Okay. And then the group's primary proofreader, okay, nya naiuban nga kanira nga part ang suwat na sa uban nga nag-note sila nga mag-submit late na or mag-submit kuan on time. I appreciate that kay I can know nga very dai ni sila. Okay. So i-add lang na dira sa mga until now nga mga contributions kay haron mabutang lang siya niya kanang I will add a new kuan component here sa kani ibutang lang sad nga kanang sayo ba ni sila mo submit or dili. I'm gonna give you a new direction, a new guidelines on sa tracker. No unsay unsay kanang kuan ani niya nga student, nga member, nga student. Asa namin ni. Alright, that's it. So, iandam lang na no. So sa OD nga pre-recorded 10 minutes. This is different anya. Again, mag-wear lang yapon taan na og tanang formatar. Kani sa OD nga Q&A kay either Zoom or Google Meet. Niya ang naa sa guidelines namo was sa amo ang 10 minutes to 20 minutes. Okay. So 10 to 20 minutes duration. Dali ra. No, dili ra siya super malangay niya. Kanang you will be given naman the schedule in advance so you will know. So please lang kanang pa-load mo daan sa inyohang gamiton nga device for this. Then kanang miss what if kanang naami brown out whatever ani dili ko ka-appeal what will happen if dili ko ka-appeal sa OD. To be honest no daghan jud kaayo og mga estudyante bitaw daghang kay sections ya kay if ang inyong section ma-assign na ana and then naay mga unsa man gani tell me niya kanang I don't know what will happen to you if dili ka ka-appeal sa OD because granted that it's all online. Miss, valid jud kay akong reason, miss, kay sa OD, miss, kina brown out amo adri sa kuan, miss, amo ang probinsya, miss, makahatag ko nimo og screenshots, evidence nga brown out jud me. So what will happen man? Kana dili sa ako maka-answer gid ana no, ako lang na siyang raise ka question kay I know it will be brought up. I do not know what will happen to you if dili ka ka-appeal sa oral defense scheduled for your section. I'll get back to you on that. Kay ako lang sa nang i-ask sa research chairman what will happen. But as much as possible, you know, you do your best. 10 to 20 minutes ra gyud ni kadali ra gyud kaayo ang OD, no? Per group. Ra gyud na siya. Okay? And that's it basically for guidelines. I can give you a copy of this paper if you would like. To have a copy of this, and I think that's all for this video. Kay naabot na gid ko mga almost 2 hours. 2 hours na ba ko? Not responding na siya. Ano man. Si Merg 2 hours na gid ni. So that's it, and stay safe, stay healthy. I'll see you guys. And I hope nga your paper is fine na. I'm sorry if dili jud ko ka-respond dali sa inyo ha, because there are other matters that I attend to as well. Nya kanang like malangay kog answer or dili siya ma-respond kanang there's a lot of things also that I need to cater. Napa may other meeting napa no, there's a lot of things that we need to do, but me as much as possible I always kanang inani maghimo ko video so that you can see and watch ang inyong isang pag-watch to give time to research. And before I end this video, no, kanang shout out to all the leaders. to all the facilitators, kay na uban dili leaders ang magsigig facilitate, but ang secretary or ang assistant leader, and kanang know that I'm grateful for everyone for doing your best. Ay, time pa nila ni Maong. For doing your best sa research. Ako na lang itong open tanan. So, makita na gid tanan. Kay I know that dili jud ni we can't do it. Ay, ano man? What? Okay, so kana siyang ang mga leaders kana so ako lang I'm taking the time to thank everyone, and kanang there are times, I mean majority man good, correct me if I'm wrong, majority of the groups kay they thrive to be united because of the facilitators nga mo follow up jud, kay if murag walay mo lead gani kay others find it hard to have a united group kung walay mo lead. Like, if walay mo, kung sige na, let's do our research, blah, 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 kanang other, it find it hard to be united. So, for my ITCP 1A nga mga students and the leaders of Borromeo, Levite, Terciende, Ocampo, Macapabre, and ITCP 2A, Hermoso, Leros, Diaguno, Ferrolino, Folido, their assistant leaders and secretaries, as well sa ABM na ako nga 8A kanang Bersamin is taking the lead now, Awano, and Visitacion, Magandia, si Gulang ang taking the lead ani, and Madayan, and also the separate group si Palma na ang nag-lead. ABM, that's 8A, and then STEM 12P. Don't mind the mga red because ako na siyang gikuan kat mga missing outputs others. So Cabrales, Girindola is taking the lead. Tapos De Perine, Pasarda, Estanioso is taking the lead, sorry, but Pasarda is also submitting sometimes as a group for the group, and Bilingan is taking the lead for their group, and five time pa nga naman eh. So for ABM, for Arts and Design 1T, mga question mark din ha. Thank you si Canamavista, Sabater, Reyes, who else? Si Ranila is trying to submit, no? And si Casel, but medyo nalangay lang sila. And Sanchez, Donaire, for taking the lead. And Telacas for, this is ABM 2P, Telacas, Lomanas, Cañete, but Osabal is taking the lead. And Cariquitan, leader, and Lianos, and then assistant nila, the very active sad 7 for Tukiri, 2A, CK. Medyo nalangay lang ni silang sa Langgote, no? Silang Gisanan as well, nalangay, as well as silang Ventura, no, nadugay. So, thank you. Davis, ang leader sa kanilang group, and on time sila makasubmit. And sa Santos as well, on time na po makasubmit. 8 for STEM 10A, ako ang advisory class. Ang mga leaders who are very active in Yasta, we have Lopez, Floracel, Rivera, Mabini, and si Lauron. And so thank you, as well as ang ilang mga secretaries and assistant leaders are also very participative, active. Some 2P, ang leaders, kay silang Manugas, Noel, si Pagobo naman ang nagsigig ko nila, nag-lead. And then, Humawan, leader, and si Rabot. Thank you guys. So, ako yung nag-special mention. Thank you. I know it's not hard to lead a group, especially now nga dili mo mag-meet personally. Lahi man dito nga interaction nga, sige ato ta sa walay ni ko ana nya magbuhat. I know the feeling. Lahi ra jud na siya nya karon kay murag sige na lang og chat nga, oy please kung himo ani bi mas maglisod og follow up kay you can see each other. And so I really appreciate and know that I thank every single one of you, not just katong mga leaders nga na-mention, but everybody, especially I know you know who you are very kanang dedicated to your research, and thank you. And please, that's why, please prepare for your oral defense, and I will pray for everybody, and God bless you, good luck, and I know nga kanang you will do your best, whatever that may be, and prepare lang jud for your oral defense niya kahanang if you know to yourself that you did a lot of things and you gave you gave your best to your research, kabalo ka unsa na imong research, unsa imong variables, unsa mga ins and outs of your research, you will do fine, you will do fine, trust me. And that's it. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys on our next online class. Sa ato ang next online class, more of magkuan na taana mga kanang consultations on your paper. And I'll see you guys when I see you, and good luck, God bless. Sa ato ang oral defense, let's prepare. Fighting! Kanbate! Char. Okay. Viva! Pitinyo. Alright, so thank you guys. Stay healthy, researchers. And padayon lang dyan ta. Hapit na man ato ang semester. Go, researchers. Bye, guys!